Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another video, and today is our day 3 video. Today I am going to show you how to create a dig tool which is inbuilt in Kali Linux. So let's see some example like how we use dig. For an example, we need to know about some information about any domain. So first of all, we will use dig command. Dig, for an example, wix.com. We can see a lot of information in here about the Wix website, or we can see any kind of domain just like google.com. We get lots of information from this tool. Now we are going to create this tool with separate ways, and today I'm going to show you how we can create this tool by using Python with simple codes. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start our video. First of all, I'm going to clear all of it, and let's go back to our PyJupyter. So we need to get the sudo su, and as you can see we get the root access. Now we have to type Jupyter notebook hello root. You can see there is access denied, so we have to close it, and you can see the link here. Just right click and open link, and your PyJupyter will run. Now my folder is here. This is our previous two videos code. You can check the previous two videos, and I am trying to show you step by step with a Python programming from 0 to advanced in one code. So this is our day 3, and our topic will be using dig to get information about an IP address or domain name. Okay guys, so we should not run this file until it will show some errors. So we have to create a new column or new cell. So guys, now I am started to coding. So first of all, dig, there is a separate module which is dig, and we are going to install it by pip3 install pydig. So we have to run it, and to install the module in the PyJupyter we have to use this sign to install it. Now run it. Wait some second. You can see our PyDig is successfully installed. Now we can start our coding. Okay guys, now we have to import our PyDig in our code. So import PyDig as PD. Now class, we have to define a class which is diginfo. I'm creating a diginfo. Now we have to define it. Now let's define the print diginfo, and inside the cell we are define self host and type. Okay, fine. Now we have to use the PyDig to check our host and type. Now let's say dig underscore info equals to pd, which is our PYDIG dot query host and type, this one. Fine. Now we have to print it. Print dig info, dig underscore info. Fine. So guys, now we have to create a main function which is if underscore name, sorry, equals to which is underscore main. Now we have to define a instance which is dig underscore info equals to dig info, this one, this class. We have to instance this class. Now dig underscore info dot print underscore dig underscore info. Now let's say google.com, and we use the, this is our host, and we use the type. And now this time the type will be the, there is record type, which is, there is so many types like address record, IPv6 record, text record, so many types of records available in the domain. So we can separate it by using the type. So in here I am going to use A. A means address record. So now let's run this code. Let's see. We can see the IP address of our google.com. So let's see, this is our, now let's see, A is, sorry, A equals to address record. Now let's identify another one, dot print dig underscore info underscore google.com underscore. Now I am going to identify NS. Let me tell you, NS is our name server. NS is our name server. Let's run it and let's see the result. We can see the name server of our Google. Now let's define another one, which is google.com, comma a. This one define the IPv6 addresses inside the Google domain. So equals to IPv6 address record. Let's run it and see the result. We can see the IPv6 of our Google domain. There is others record also, like dig underscore info dot print underscore dig underscore, sorry, info google.com, comma cname, which is our canonical name. Cname. Let's see. Cname equals to canonical name. CANONICAL, canonical name. And let's see what it shows. We don't find any kind of canonical name result, and you can see the communication error 2192.168.0.1 timeout. So this is our canonical name. Now let's see the another result, which is dig info dot print dig info google.com. Sorry. Now we are going to find the text result, which is txt, and this will provide you the text result from the website. Txt equals to text record. Now let's run it and see. We can get a lots of information about text result, about Google domain. Now let's check the another record, which is start of authority. Dig info dot print underscore dig underscore info google.com, SOA. So SOA equals to start of authority. Now let's run this and let's see what we get. We get the authority domain, authority record. Now let's check the another record, which is certification of authority. Dig info dot print underscore dig info google.com, CAA. Now CAA is certification of authority. Now let's run this and we see the authority record. In this code you can modify the code if you want. For an example, you can use this google.com as a input, and this record you have to define it. So to do this, the same record, and if you want to do this in the easy way, let's copy it and let me create another record, which is Control V. I'm pasting it, and in here I'm going to just taking the input, which is user input. The font will be input. This will enter the domain name or address. Sorry. And you can import this user input in this in here. For an example, let's close it. Just say user underscore input. User underscore input. Let me copy it and paste it. And let's run it. Let's see. So in here it wants the domain name or address. So I'm going to use the same. This time I'm going to use another one, which is wikipedia.org, and let's check it. We get all the information about our Wikipedia domain. Or if you want to use more simple code, then let's copy this record and let's see. And in here I'm going to use the code ns, and let me and I'm going to paste it here, and let's run it. As you can see, oh, this one is showing the error, this line. So let me use the mode shortcut, and let's run here, and let's say the wikipedia.com.org. We can see this. We cannot use the double record in same line because we use here, because we define the host and type here. So our query will be one host and one type. So we cannot use the double type in here. Let's close it and run it. Now let's say wikipedia.org, and we get the proper IP address. So in this way you can create the tool which is our dig program. This is the easiest code. You can create tool by yourself, and you can understand how the code works behind the tool. So guys, this is our video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you think this is useful for your friends and other, then please share it. Thank you guys for watching this video.